I think it's the marriage of kind of traditional restoration and kind of more artistic elements. The kind of fusing of those two things together, I think, is really satisfying. I like order in my life. Yeah, if I can see a structure to something, and if I can see the spaces within that structure and how it's framed by the lines, that's just something that really appeals to me, and just it seems to bring some sort of sense of calm. I suppose it's a little bit like music, insofar as you have a rhythm in music, you have a beat, and the beat is important, but it's also important what goes on between the beats. Translating that into what I do, you've got the framework, which is the line work and the geometric kind of grid, interspersed with colour and texture, which brings the whole piece together.